Hi everyone, my name is Vito and I would like to welcome you back to my channel. Today we are going for a classic. I'm going to show you how to make a delicious vegan burger that is also gluten-free. To prepare the mixture it will take us about 30 minutes and then it's good to leave it in the fridge for another hour just to tighten up. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm getting hungry, so let's get started. Start cutting the beetroot and get it ready for the blender. Drain the liquid from the chickpeas, but don't waste it as you need half a cup of it. Now add the chickpeas to the beetroot, followed by the chickpeas liquid and knock yourself out on the blender. Add water to the mince and let it soak for 10 minutes. Use those muscles and squeeze as much water as possible. Leave chia seeds, pea protein and soy mince on the side for now and add the rest of the ingredients. Now after a good stir, add the soy mince, mix it a bit and then add the rest. You can now start forming your burgers. If you have a mold, that's great. If not, just use your hands. Place your burgers on some baking paper, spray them with some oil and get them ready for the oven. Well, who wouldn't like a burger, right? Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe to support our channel and see you next time. Cheers!